Noble, I bought a magnetic cell phone holder for the Audi A3, but I don't know how to install it. Should I change my air conditioning outlet or should I change this air conditioning ring? How can I change it to install it? What do I need to do? Alright, let's get to it. You can either utilize these plastic keys to disassemble it, or if you have the cell phone holder, you're going to use that. This right here is the base that I use, okay? You're going to fit it here behind the air outlet to push it up, or you're going to use this key to loosen it. Normally I use this or this plastic key. I place the plastic key here, I push it gently on each side, and I release the air conditioning outlet on both sides. Alright, it's free. What should I do next? You don't even need to remove the entire air outlet. If you want to remove it entirely, just pull it and it comes out completely in your hand, okay? Remember, there's a guide pin on each side. When installing, you need to align with these small holes here on the side guide pins. But if you just want to install the cell phone holder, there's no need to remove this. It's 100% doable. Just pull the two sides apart, fit it here. This other side you need to move a little more to allow for the cell phone holder. Once it fits, just push it back until the end. There you go, cell phone holder installed. Quite simple, isn't it? Place your cell phone here and voila! It stays secured for you. It's extremely safe and stable. There's no issue at all. Very simple, very quick and easy. This is the type of content that only the Noble Motorsport channel brings to you, like no one else in the market. I assure you that it's exclusive content. So drop a like because we're the only ones to make this type of content, teaching and showing you how installation and uninstallation of car accessories are done, really step by step. After this video, we'll even show you how to dismantle the entire multimedia center screen. We've already shown how to completely dismantle this entire selection modes bar here so you can put the select drive. We've also shown how to change the analog air conditioning to the digital one. There are many installation, uninstallation, assembly and disassembly videos here, like how to change the gear knob. You know, disassembling the entire center console part here. Okay, so we are the only ones to deliver this type of content to you. It's a lot of work to assemble and disassemble a car, folks. If you like the content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to always be updated with all the new information, all the new videos that only the Noble Coding channel that talks about coding and retrofit offers you, okay? Goodbye everyone. See ya.